guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my summer makeup tutorial 2021. So every year on my channel I film a summer makeup tutorial and this year is no different. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by using my Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. And then for primer I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer on my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so for foundation today I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. This is a really nice, hydrating and natural foundation. It's like medium coverage, so it doesn't look super cakey on your skin. It looks just right, and the colour match for me is perfect, and I just love the formula on this. It is so hydrating on your skin, but not overly. So even if you have oily skin, it still works really well for you, and I have combination, so it works really well for both the oily parts of my face and the dry parts. So the shade that I'm using is the shade Fair 15W, and I'm going to blend it in with my Morphe M439 buffing brush. And then for concealer I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealers as well, and I like to take a mixture of two shades. So the shades I use are Fair 15 and Fair 10N. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm then going to set that with my Natural Collection matte pressed powder in the shade Neutral. This is a really good pressed powder. It's so affordable. It's only like $1.99 and it's one of the best pressed powders that I use. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set my eye area first. And then to set the rest of my face I'm using my You Spicy 31 brush. Okay, now in the summer I like to be nice and bronzed. I'm not going to use a contour today, I'm just going to use a lot of bronzer. Now this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Light Bronzer. I do have the normal bronzer shade, but it's just a tad too dark for me. This shade is perfect. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to bronze up the face. So as you can see, that's nice and bronzed my face. Then I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rouge, using a different Real Techniques blush brush. And then for highlight I'm using my Colourpop Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek Highlighter, using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. Okay, now I'm going to move on to my eyes. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade Warm Neutrals. And first of all, on a Morphe R37 brush, I'm going in with this shade here through the crease. I'm then going to take this deeper brown shade and I'm going to focus it more on the outer corners, but I will bring it through into the crease as well, using my Sephora Pro Featherweight crease brush. then going to use this almost like a maroon mauvey dark brown, really hard shade to describe there, and I'm going to use that on the outer corners using my Morphe M412 brush. I'm then going to go back in with my original first brush and the original shade just to blend everything through together. Okay, so all of those colours that I just used, I'm going to put on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 pencil brush. Okay, now for the bit of sparkle, I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow quad. I think they're the bite-sized eyeshadow quads. And this one is the shade Rose Water. So it's very pinky, very rosy. And I'm going to use this shade on the end, which is like a champagne pinky mauve. And I'm going to pop that then on the lid using my little finger. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done. Now before I do anything else, I just want to spray my face with some setting spray. So this is the Colourpop All Star Face Setting Spray. So it's quite aggressive, so I'm going to spray it up and then let it fall on my face. Now I'm using my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner pencil in the shade Brown Perfection. And then for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. But first I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Okay, now finally it is time for lipstick. So I'm going for a very pinky, champagne-y type look today. So the lipstick that I'm using is the Maybelline Colour Sensational lipstick in the shade Rosy Risk. And there you have it. This is my summer makeup tutorial 2021. It was all drugstore products. I think it was really easy to create, really simple, doesn't take ages as well, and using all affordable products. And I will link all the products down below for you guys if you are interested in trying this makeup out. But yeah, this is the type of makeup I would like to wear in the summer, to go to maybe a garden party, or to go to the shops for a day trip, or even to a meal out. And this is the type of makeup that I like to wear in the summertime because it's so sparkly, glowy and hydrating with the foundation as well. So yeah, I just really love it. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!